my YouTube friends, and welcome back to another video. And today I'm going to be doing 10 DIY last minute Halloween costumes. So they might not really be DIY because I'm not doing like DIY crafts, but they're like DIY, like you get to pick out the outfit. They're probably from your drawer, you know what I mean, right? So yeah, if you guys enjoy this kind of video, make sure to comment down below some stuff like hashtag Kitty Squad. It's because you turn on the post notifications, like it, and subscribe, because that would be appreciated. And these costumes might not be that great because I just like decided to do this right now, but no hate, please. Okay, that was weird. But yeah, see you in the outro, and yeah, see you. First one is the iconic cat. So you need like black cat ears or any cat ears for any chance. And we're all black if you want to be a black cat. That's pretty cool. And yeah, I also have these light up ears that you could do maybe for trick-or-treating. And yeah. So this next one is a copycat. It's just be a cat and have the words copy on it. It's a funny one and it's really cool. So yeah. This next one is a hippie or a flower girl or however you want to call it. And all you need is a tie-dye shirt, some peace signs, a flower crown, anything that represents that. So yeah. So the next one is Evan Hansen from Dear Evan Hansen, the musical. So I'm going to be singing it soon. So all you really need is a blue shirt, a cast that says Connor on it, and like some jeans. And yeah, you're Evan Hansen. So next up, you could be a unicorn. So I know this costume that I did is really bad, but I didn't have that much materials. But look up unicorn costumes. I'll link some down below. And yeah, just be a unicorn. Next up, you could be a salsa dancer. So this one's pretty self-explanatory. Just wear a red dress of some sort, get all dancey, learn some salsa moves, and yeah, just be a dancer. So next up, you could be a hula girl or a Hawaiian girl. So just wear some really nice Hawaiian dress or a hula outfit and maybe like a flower necklace thing or one of the seashell things I'm wearing. And yeah, just embrace your inner Hawaii. So this next costume is Lara Jean from To All the Boys I Loved Before. So this costume might not really look like her, but it's an outfit she wore, so yeah. So this next costume is Jughead. So all you really need is the beanie, and we're all black, maybe a Southside jacket. So finally, you could be Miranda Sings. So just wear her signature outfit and go crazy with the red lipstick. So, I haven't filmed it yet, but I hope it was good. And if you liked it, like I said before, like and subscribe, and turn on the post notifications to do the hashtag Kitty Squad. And comment down below which costume you like the best, or which one you're actually gonna do. So, yeah, I'll see you guys next time for another crazy video. Bye!